Hi and welcome to my channel. This is Sophia. Today we are making a maple leaf pillow. We're gonna need some fabric, rotary cutter scissors, heat erasable markers, some thread, pins, and a sewing machine. Okay, we're gonna start by placing the pattern on the fabric and trace it around with the marker. Next, we're gonna use a rotary cutter and scissors because there are narrow places that we need to reach, and it's hard to use the rotary cutter there, but yeah, makes the job easier. Okay, and we are done with cutting the pieces. We're gonna place them right sides together and sew after we pin them in place. Make sure you leave an opening for stuffing and to be able to turn the pattern the right side. After sewing, we're gonna clip the curvy seams so that when it turns the right side, it's easier for us to create the shape. use chopsticks to turn the pointy parts of the leaf so that it looks nice and crisp. Okay, now we're gonna stuff and sew the gap close, and you're done. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel and give me a like. And yes, have a great day. Bye bye.